G'day and welcome to the installation instructions for Visy Tread Temporary Surface Protection, where we'll walk you through how to get the most out of your tread. First, you'll need a measuring tape, cutter, some paper seam joining tape and edge seam tape. Measure your space to work out how much protection you're going to need, allowing a little bit extra for those odd-shaped areas. Then prep and clean your surface, making sure it's free from dust and dirt. Tread's durable and breathable, so it allows surfaces to continue curing while you work. But it's important your floors are hard enough to withstand worksite wear. And this is Australian made. Lay the tread out with the roll on top and the paper curled up towards you. Then, carefully cut tread to size. Avoid dragging the cutting tool through the surface underneath. Repeat until your room is covered. Use a suitable edge-safe tape, testing it out beforehand. For coverage over larger spaces, you can always join multiple strips together. Protect your perimeter and firmly hold your tread in place, overlapping the seams by roughly 15 mil, secured with paper seam joining tape. Make sure to clean up any mess while you work. Once the job's done, before lifting tread away from your flooring, clear up any surface dust and peel away the remaining tape. Then, tread's ready to be rolled up for round 2. To recycle, make sure to trim away any major paint, grease or plaster marks first, before placing the rest in your curbside recycling bin. Then, call it a day and another job well done with tread. For more tips, visit visytread.com.au. Visy Tread, temporary surface protection. Well tread, well done.